Stop. If you have been affirming for days, weeks, and even months, and nothing is changing, there is something critically wrong. And I promise you, there's only one thing that is separating those who are manifesting instantly and those who are still stuck. It's not because your affirmations are wrong. It's not because you're not saying them enough. It's not because you're missing out on some special technique. What is the real reason? You are reacting to the 3D. The moment that you stop reacting, everything will shift fast. So in this video, I'm gonna teach you how to master the art of non-reaction, which is the missing piece after doing it the way that I will instruct you to do so in this video, and then affirming, you will get your manifestations instantly. Hi everyone, I hope we're all doing well. Welcome back to my channel. I am your favorite YouTuber, coach, and course creator. Today, we are talking about the missing piece of the puzzle. But before we get into it, you are more than welcome to subscribe on this channel. I talk about all things law of assumption. So if that sounds good to you, I would love to have you here. You are also more than welcome to enroll in my Perfect Self-Concept course, where I take you step by step, module by module, week by week, to knowing that you are worth all of your desires. I was in the car with my boyfriend the other day, and I was telling him the only thing that I would change is knowing that I am worthy enough for my desires right now. I would have blown up at 18 years old. It's not about the content, it's not about you, it's about your inner knowing that you are worthy right now, because creation does not make mistakes. If you were not worthy, you would not be here on this planet. So I talk about all of that great stuff in the course. I teach you how to maintain a perfect self-concept, and I do this in a chronological order where you can actually understand, fathom what self-concept is and how to actually work on it. Law of assumption, coaches say work on your self-concept. But how? I give you specific exercises that I did in 2022 that literally soared my self-concept to the roof, to infinity and beyond, and I have never looked back. And all of the other circumstances and situations could not get a reaction out of me from that point, because I knew my worth. To enroll, simply click the very first link in the description box down below, or go on ritakaminski.com/courses. I intend for this video to change your absolute life for the best, and with that, let's get into it. Okay, so let me break it down for you. Your affirmations are always working. They are always being planted into your subconscious mind, but this is where people stuff up. Every time you react to your current 3D reality, you are actually undoing your affirmations. Imagine this. You're affirming, I'm rich, I'm rich, I'm rich, and then you have a little bit of a moment and you check your bank account, and your bank account says you have $2.34 in there, and you panic. Your brain automatically starts thinking, why isn't this working? Why do I only have $2 in my bank account? Will I be able to afford food and bills? You just confirmed to your subconscious lack. You just confirmed to your subconscious that you do have $2 in your bank account. Your mind is like a GPS. If you keep changing your destination and doing U-turns and U-turns and U-turns, how are you going to get to where you want to be? You're saying you're rich, and then you're saying, I have $2 in my bank account. That's a U-turn, and another U-turn, and another U-turn. So again, this is why people stay stuck. They affirm, and then they react to their 3D. They affirm, and then they complain that nothing is changing. They affirm, and then they let doubt, fear, and frustration take over. And that is the missing piece. You cannot be a master manifester and be living fully in your desired reality when you are still entertaining your previous shitty, mediocre reality, the one that you don't want. So now let me teach you exactly how to stop reacting so you can finally see results. Step number one, see the 3D as an illusion. Your current 3D reality is not real. It is a reflection of your previous thoughts. The 3D is not the cause. It is not your validation. Your mind is the cause. Your mind is the validation. Whatever you tell your subconscious mind is the validation. How clearer do I have to say this? So when something happens that contradicts your affirmations, you must stay neutral. Just breathe. It's really as simple as that. Do I react sometimes? Yes. Do I let that define my affirmations and my manifestations? No, I don't fight with it. I see it for what it is. I breathe into that feeling. I accept it. I wait for it to go away. I do what makes me feel good in each and every single moment to distract myself from that doubt. I would be affirming or doing any other types of techniques, and either on purpose or accidentally, I would see the 3D not conforming. And I'm sure you know just how demotivating and gut-wrenching that is sometimes. I fucking understand that. That's why people give up, because they see the 3D and they're like, oh my God, I'm putting in all of this work and it's not working. It is working. You have to breathe through that discomfort, through that bad feeling. If you're trying to fight with it, even if that means you're trying to flip the thought with your affirmations, or you're trying to soothe yourself, that is still a problem, because you're still giving that situation or that doubt light. We are not entertaining it or interacting with it in any way, shape, or form, no matter how good you think it's going to make you feel. It's not. Because that thought or situation is just a bully. Just see it as a hater. They want to make you stuck in your shitty circumstances so they can feel better about themselves. Are you gonna let that happen? No, we're not even going to be reacting to it. That situation or thought or even person is gonna get bored and is gonna start messing with someone else. So your new mindset is, it's already mine. It's already done. I don't need to react. I've got this in the bag. This is a true test of power, guys. If you affirm, I am in my dream relationship with my SP, and your SP ignores you, do you panic? Or do you breathe into that discomfort, stay calm, knowing that the 3D will catch up? If you affirm, I always win, but then something goes wrong, do you spiral? Or do you trust that it's rearranging for your good? The affirmations are working. So the rule is, no matter what happens, you do not react. Your energy must stay unshakable. Your energy is your currency. Whatever you put your focus on, that is gonna play out in your reality. When you do this, plus robotically affirming, reality bends to your will fucking fast. So now it's time for you to test this. For the next 24 hours, I want you to absolutely not react to a single damn unfavorable thing. No checking, no doubting, no worrying. Act like the god of your motherfucking reality, because you are the god of your reality. No matter what happens, stay calm. No matter what shows up, stay certain. No matter what you see, trust that it's done. And when you do see those results, comment down below and tell me what shifted. I'm sure everyone will be inspired by your success story, because I promise you, if you do this, things will change fast. So in conclusion, your thoughts create your reality, and your non-reaction dictates how fast it shows up. You are always manifesting, but the question is, are you manifesting for your new amazing life, or are you staying stuck in your old shitty reality? So starting now, no more doubting, no more reacting, no more searching for proof. Your only job is knowing that it's done. Because when you do this, a manifestation becomes instant and effortless. So comment down below, what are you manifesting right now, and are you accepting the non-reaction challenge? If this video spoke to you, don't just watch it. Act on it. Share this with someone who needs to wake up to their power. And if you're ready to go deeper, join me in my coaching programs, because this is just the beginning. And remember, you are limitless. Your only job is to stay unshakable. Now, go and manifest like a god. And with that, I trust that this video gave you the guidance that you needed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up because I know you loved it. I hope you have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, everyone.